In this video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok username change error. If you're having issues changing the username of your TikTok account, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. Firstly, you need to ensure that this tick mark is available to make sure that the username that you entered is currently available inside of TikTok. Also, what you need to know is that you can only change your username once every 30 days. So if you have changed your username previously and it hasn't been 30 days, you won't be able to change it again. So you'll need to wait out 30 days in order to change to a new username. Now, apart from this, what you can also try out is try to clear the cache of the application. Tap on the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy. From here, you can scroll down and head over to free up space and then just tap on the clear option. Apart from this, what you can also try out is look for any new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store and search for TikTok. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. I hope this guide video did help you out in fixing your issue. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.